Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard Mathematics C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And remember, our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And today's topic. Today we are going to talk about the concept of shapes oval. So what you have to do, you have to show different pictures, different shapes to your student, and you have to inquire and ask about those shapes which they are already familiar with. So let's start the lesson. Students, look at here. What is this? What is the name of this shape? This is a circle, and circle goes round and round. Circle goes round and round. And look at here, what is this? It's an example of a circular shape, a clock, a clock. And can you please think for a while, what would happen if we drag the shape of a circle? We can drag like this, we can drag like this. What would happen? Yes, it will definitely change its shape and we will have another shape called oval. If we drag the shape of a circle, we have another shape called oval. Look at the shape of the oval. It's not going round and round. It's going round and round. This is a circle, circular shape, and this is an oval shape. This is an oval shape. Look at this balloon. Is it having an oval shape? Yes, it is having an oval shape. Now look at the clock again. Is the clock having an oval shape? No, the clock is not having an oval shape. Now who is going to tell me the name of the things having oval in themselves or having oval shape? Can you name some other things? And look around yourself. Try to find out oval shape. Good. After this, you can invite them for the board activity. And for this purpose, what you can do, you can draw different pictures like this, or you may paste the flashcards on the board. I am going to draw the pictures. So look at here. I am drawing different shapes and I want you to come here and to encircle oval shape. Oval shape. Is this an oval? No. Is this an oval? No. Is this an oval? Yes. Is this an oval? Yes. And what's about this one? No. Remember that an oval shape looks like an egg. It looks like an egg. It looks like an egg. After this board activity, you can distribute pieces of paper among the students and you can ask them to draw an oval. You can give them colored pieces of paper and you can give them a pair of scissors, rounded corner scissors, and you can ask them to cut ovals out of those colored paper. After doing this exercise, you can take them to the school walk and they can look for the things having oval shapes, and then you can introduce the page of the book. You can tell them that look at here, it's a circle, and when we drag a circle, if we drag a circle, it changes its shape into oval. This is a circle and this is an oval. Circle, oval. Example of an oval. And now look at here, an oval is a shape like an egg. Yes. You can ask them to color this oval shape. For the homework purpose, you can ask them to draw an oval of different sizes on their notebook, or they may search different pictures having oval shape in themselves and paste these pictures on their notebooks. Thank you very much.